Nakuru County has 2.1 million people, and one of the major challenges of a growing population, especially being a city or moving to a city status, is that there is an influx of population, and one of the challenges is sanitation. Over the years, we have been having a challenge in terms of sanitation, especially in the urban poor areas.
Sanitation is a big challenge, and sanitation under Article 43 of Kenyan Constitution is a basic human right. So we felt the need to address sanitation in totality, and due to that, we looked at the challenges facing sanitation, and the major challenge was on disposal and end use. As in sanitation, we have the whole sanitation service chain, whereby we start with the containment, then we have the conveyance of the sanitation material, and the conveyance, then we have the treatment, and finally we have the disposal and end use. So we are finding that at the end use, or at the disposal site, sanitation was a challenge because we are disposing waste that was still infectious or harmful to human beings. And looking at the proximity of Nakuru town and the lake where our sewerage system is located, it was quite a challenge. So we had to do a lot of research and see how best we can dispose or use the end products of the sewerage system. Our flamingos disappeared from the lake. Because of that, we were looking at how best can we bring back our flamingos so that we can improve on our ecotourism. And so we came up with the manufacturing of briquettes, which is a form of fuel made from human waste, 50% human waste and 50% carbonized sawdust. We use 50% human waste, which has been treated and dried and treated to remove all the pathogens and bacteria, and 50% carbonized sawdust. But sawdust is not the only product you can use. We can use the coffee husks, the macadamia nuts husks, the maize cobs, but currently we are using the sawdust.
Over the last few months, we've been producing 2 tons per month, but we have recently upgraded our plant, and now we are able to produce 10 tons per month, which is able to meet the growing demand.
The moment we started treating and using the fecal sludge to manufacture briquettes, we've not had very high cases of cholera.
One of the challenges definitely is resources. Because looking at water and sanitation, it is more of a human right, and one of the challenges is that you cannot actually increase the amount of water that you charge or the cost of sanitation. So we have been relying on partners and donors to enable us even to upscale. But we are looking to bridge that gap by ensuring that we are able to increase the demand and also the raw material which is available, which is in excess. So if we achieve economies of scale, we can ensure that we are able to reach more people and also ensure that this fuel is available to everyone. Also, we are taking advantage of the charcoal ban. With the charcoal ban, you realize that there is shortage of charcoal, and with having this fuel that is from the briquettes, we can ensure that we are bridging that gap in terms of the fuel that is needed in the homes.
Poop is money. You can get revenue. It's another revenue stream. You can get revenue from fecal sludge, something that as Africans would not have thought of it, but fecal sludge is money. It's turning around the lives of people, because those people who are selling the makaa, they're getting revenue from that, and you're also improving our environment.